Hello everyone, in this video I will show you my idea about how to DIY the fairy table skirt by using this snap fastener band and the fabric. Okay, now let's go. Okay, first of all, let's take a piece of our welcome fabric and we need to cut off a small piece. The size of the small piece, well, depends on the size of this snap fastener band. Because we are going to make a table skirt with 3 layers, so we need to combine 3 of this band together. Okay, let's check the size of the band. 1.8 cm. So 3 of this band, it will be 5.4 cm. Okay, let's take the measurement. Okay, 5.4. Okay, I take off the small piece. And we need to take several more so that we can combine them together to match the size of our table. Finally, I cut 4 pieces of the welcome fabric. Okay, let's take the measurement for our table. Okay, since we will make the table skirt to cover this 3 edges of our table, so we need to take the measurement for this 3 sides. Okay, so this is the length of the table skirt we are going to make. Then let's serve it together. 1 band, 2 band, 3 band. Because we want to make the table skirt with 3 layers. Okay, completed with this snap fastener band. I combine 3 of the small band to make a larger one. In fact, if you think it's too much large, there's another type of the band, much more slim, but that one only have white color or black color and the price will be much more expensive. So I use this normal one because they have a lot of color, yellow, blue, pink, red, a lot of color. On this band, I use the pink color because I want to use the pink table skirt, and other white color because I don't have enough pink color, so I have to mix with the white color. Okay, let's prepare the fabric. First of all, take our fabric and fold it like this. Cut it off. Okay, look, so we cut our fabric into half, 2 pieces. Okay, then the next fabric. Also, fold it in half and then cut it off. Will be okay. Okay, all the fabric prepared. So we got 1 piece of this eye silk fabric as inner layer. And other 2 pieces of the net fabric. 1 piece is the one we cut it in half. So we can check the size of the fabric from here to here. And then another fabric without any cutting. Just take the length we want will be okay. So let's check the size. Look. Because we didn't cut it in half. So it will be wider. Because we want to make a fairy table skirt with a lot of net fabric step around the table. Okay, now let's start serve the fabric to our snap fastener. Okay, take a cardboard. You can use larger one. Let's starting with this inner layer. Take this fabric and fold a little bit. And let's serve it together with the band. Okay, let's clamp it on the cardboard. Take a small piece of cardboard. You can make any size you want will be okay to define the size of the ruffle. Since I already took several videos to show you how to make the table skirts, but actually it's not a repeat video. Just show you to make the table skirt with different material. But anyway, this is not a repeat video. Let's go ahead. Use this pen. This pen, the color will be disappear in hours, or when you spill some water on it will be disappear the color. Okay, let's start it from here. 1 spot, 2 spot, 3 spot, and then fold the fabric from the 3rd spot toward the 1st spot, and then clamp the fabric together with the band. One spot, 2 spot, the 3rd spot. Fold the fabric from the 3rd spot, cross the 2nd spot and to the 1st spot. Okay, after you complete it with several of this ruffle, let's take it out and serve them together. Serve it on this light will be okay. Okay, after the eye seal fabric, let's make the net fabric. The procedure almost the same. Firstly, fold and serve them together. Okay, then keep them on the board. Okay, then use the cardboard. The procedure are almost the same, but check the little difference. For the inner layer, the eye seal fabric layer, we mark the spot 1 from this part, from here. But for the net fabric, we will mark the spot from the top end of the fabric. Spot 1, spot 2, spot 3, and then fold the fabric from the spot 3 to the spot 1. Okay, clamp it. Again, if the layer, the eye seal layer, the spot 1 will come from here, but the net fabric, the spot 1 will come from here. So this is the difference. Okay, spot 1, spot 2, spot 3. and then fold from the spot 3 to the spot 1. Camera. So this is the little difference. Okay, so the procedure are the same. Serve them together. Okay, completed with 3 layers of fabric. The inner layer, eye-seal fabric, and the other 2 net fabric. Okay, now let's assemble this 3 fabric and put it on the table. Very simple. Just take the band we make and step them together. Layer and layer. Okay, look, the first layer completed. Okay, and then the next layer, the shortened net layer. Okay, completed with the second layer. Okay, then the last layer. Okay, completed with all the layers. And then let's put on the table to check the effect. Okay, after I sort the fabric, let's check the effect. Look, this is the fairy table skirt I made by using the full fabric. If you want the fabric on the ground look much more rich, much more fabric, you can use 2 layers of long table skirt, so the come out will be much more rich. But since I do not have enough fabric on hand, look, this is the very popular table skirt. Let's check the effect. And if I change the top fabric, change from the white to the plain color, the come out will be much more pretty. Also, I make another layer with white fabric, white eye-seal fabric. So, on this video, I will show you how to DIY the fairy table skirt. For the following video, I will special to show you the effect about put on the table skirt. For example, I will show you the effect of adding each layer of the fabric, or maybe we can mix the color to check the effect. If you are interested, you can watch the following tutorial. You can link to that video only once I prepare and upload to the YouTube. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please do me a favor but do not skip the advertisement, because I want the revenue from YouTube to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.